Hi, I'm Manny Piñol. Welcome to my Mindanao. This is my birthplace, my hometown. I love this place. Not so much is known of this beautiful island. All they hear about are bombings, killings, the fighting, the conflict. There's more to Mindanao than just that. For example, did you know that Mindanao has 1/3 of the total land area of the country at 9.7 million hectares. It has a population of 25 million people. There are 6 regions in Mindanao. Regions 9, which is Zamboanga. Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Region 11, which is Davao region. Region 12, Central Mindanao. Region 13, Caraga region. And the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. There are 27 provinces, 422 municipalities, 33 cities, and 10,084 barangays. This is Mindanao, but not much is known about Mindanao. Did you know that Mindanao's economic growth is higher than the Philippine national growth at 7.2? It is contributing 54% of the country's food supply, and it could supply more if given the opportunity to do so with additional infrastructure. So today, let me bring you to places unexplored in Mindanao as I present to you the other face of my Mindanao, the beauty and bounty of the island of Mindanao.
This week, I will bring you to the town of Alamada in my home province, North Cotabato.
This town was named after a fierce Iranon warrior, Dato Amay Bulyok Alamada. This is an agricultural town producing corn, rice, but there is more to this town than just the name. President Ramon Magsaysay signed an executive order designating this town as a resettlement area for former members of the Hukbalahap or Hukbong Bayan Laban sa Hapon. So in this town, there are Ilocanos, there are Kapampangans, there are Iranuns of course, and indigenous people. But there is more to Alamada than just being an agricultural town. We are going to discover a wonder of nature in this trip to Alamada today. It is called Asik-Asik Falls or the Sprinkling Falls. Come, let's discover the beauty of Alamada.
It was in 1969 when the municipality of Alamada was created. It is now a first-class town with 17 barangays and a population of 70,000. Among its major agricultural products are upland rice, corn, banana, coconut, palm oil, and rubber. Known as the source of water, which flows down to the towns of Libungan and Midsayap through the Alamada-Libungan River, Alamada was just a quiet agricultural town until 2011 when a unique waterfalls was discovered in Sitio Dulao, Upper Dado. It is a waterfalls like no other because there is no river from where the water would fall from. The water actually gushes out of the side of a cliff about 60 meters high and sprinkles down on the river which flows from Lake Baranibon in the boundary of the town with Utron, Maguindanao. The falls was later called Asik-Asik, which literally means sprinkling water. While I served as governor of North Cotabato for 9 years, from 1998 to 2007, I never knew of the existence of this wonder of nature. Along with the mayor of the town now, Jesus Sakdalan, who served as my vice governor, I went to as far as Daday Falls upstream in the 2000s, but we never knew that there was this magical wonder of nature in the same area because it was thickly forested at the time. The discovery of Asik-Asik Falls came after a strong typhoon, one of the very few in Mindanao, felled many trees in the area in the year 2008, followed by a forest fire which cleared the area of vegetation. Following its discovery in 2011, a local tourist, Ivy Joy Urban, uploaded the first set of photos of Asik-Asik on Facebook in April 2012. The news spread like wildfire. Soon, videos and photos of Asik-Asik Falls were featured on TV and splashed in the front pages of national newspapers. Asik-Asik is so unique that the Department of Environment and Natural Resources is moving to have this wonder of nature declared as a geological monument. Personally, I have not heard of or seen photos of similar waterfalls. There is only one in Shasta, California, the Bernay Falls, where water also gushes out of the side of a cliff. But there is a river right in the middle with a main waterfall. Asik-Asik is a virtual underground river whose source is not known yet. The nearest body of water is Lake Baranibon, which is about 6.5 miles upstream. While it has been 7 years since Asik-Asik Falls came to the public consciousness, it is still difficult to go to the area.
Salamat sa Pangulong Duterte, Secretary Piñol, Secretary Jan Jones Nandar, dahil ito pong lugar na ito, Alamada, composing of almost 80,000 hectares, ay isang settlement area. Kami po ay under sa settlement ng DAP. So, kami po yung tutulungan at salamat kay Secretary Simato sa pagbibigay niya ng mga forest rangers na nangangalaga ngayon na ang aming kalikasan, ang aming kagubatan ay mapangalagaan.
The town has already prepared a master plan for the protection and conservation of Asik-Asik Falls, and this will be presented to the Mindanao Development Authority next month in the presence of Migas partner agencies. It is our hope that Asik-Asik will be properly protected through a sustainable agroforestry program to ensure that the next generation of Filipinos could see for themselves the beauty of Mindanao and the blessings God has showered on this land.